Welcome back to TechKidFX for another amazing video, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Vechain, whose current price stands at the $0.02 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 2.72%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, and I'll be basing my analysis on the Elliott waves and the Fibonacci's. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you watch this video till the end. Also make sure that you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So from the all-time high, Vechain has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, and the ABC correction has taken us to around the $0.024 mark, and from there I expected that the price of Vechain will give us a pump to the upper side in this massive ABC correction, in this Elliott wave count, having a wave 5 taking us back to an all-time high. And the minimum that I expected the wave 1 to do is at this target that I have on the screen, between the $0.17 mark and the $0.15 mark, and that I'm basing it on the Fibonacci's. And there's this pattern that I have on the chart, on the daily chart, that I want us to take a look at. And you can see we have a wedge, and we have broken below to the downside of this wedge. And some of the key scenarios that I expect to play out are that we can continue pushing to the lower side, and that could take us to this key area of support we have at around the $0.024 mark. And once we see that support, we can then have a bounce back to the upper side once we find the support to around the $0.03 mark. And if that move does not play out, it's possible that we lose that support and break below it, and then have a retest of that key area of support. And once we do that, that will be unlocking even lower prices on the Vechain chart. And now that we don't have much of support to the lower side of this chart, that would be the worst case scenario for Vechain. So let's hope that once we continue seeing lower prices on the Vechain chart, we'll be able to find support at around the $0.024 mark. And if we have a look at the indicators that I have on the chart, you can see that on the RSI we are massively oversold, and we are at around the 36 mark, and that would mean we still have downward potential, and we also still have room for us to continue pushing the market to the upper side if we continue seeing increased volume in the market. Also taking a look at the MACD, you can see on the MACD we are also losing the volume, and we are just about to print a bearish cross. So those are the key scenarios that can play out on the Vechain chart. Let's continue watching those key areas of support, and I'll keep you updated on anything that plays out on the chart.